Is your bank balance getting low? Is there something that you're wanting to save up for, or do you just want some extra money in your bank account? No need to fear. Today I'm going to give you guys 6 of my tips to earning money as a teenager. Every single one of these jobs has no required age to do it. You can do these jobs if you're 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, you know, any of those ages. Using these tips, I actually have made a lot of money and I no longer have to worry about not having enough money to do something with friends or not having enough money to buy something I want. What I always tell myself is that I need to save more than I'm spending. So I'm actually going to give you guys the biggest tip here first, and that is to babysit or be a mother's helper. This is the one that has earned me the most money, and I'm going to tell you guys why you should do it. First things first, to babysit, you don't have to pay taxes and you get to pick your wage. Now, obviously, if you're older, you can ask for more money, and if you're younger, you probably want to ask for less money because normally as you get older, you get more responsible. The good thing about babysitting and being a mother's helper is that it's all in your control. So if you don't want to sit for a family anymore, you don't have to. Let me tell you, that part is very useful. Now, the big question when I started was, how do I get myself out there? So what I actually did was I made a flyer on Google Docs, and I had my mom put it on the neighborhood Facebook page, and in that flyer I basically said my name, what like community I live in, and then I said some like good things about myself with like grades and school. And this one is great because you can do it at a younger age and just be a mother's helper, which is what I did when I was younger. If you guys don't already know, a mother's helper is where you babysit but the parents are actually home, so you're watching the kid while the parent is still at home. Also, this is a great one if you like kids like me because you are just doing something you love. The second way to make money as a teenager or a preteen is to do chores and or ask for an allowance. It never hurts to ask your parents if like, hey, can I get an allowance? And the good thing is if your parents say no to an allowance, you might still be able to get money for doing chores. So sometimes what I used to do is I would ask my mom, hey, can you give me a list of things to do for money? And she'd say, sure, you can get $5 for doing this list of things. And then I would do it and then I could get the money. The third thing is to sit for animals or for a house. If a family's going out of town and they just want you to watch over a pet, this is a super easy way to make money because you literally just have to go to their house, feed the pet, spend some time with it and leave. And you can also like house sit. So like if your neighbor's going on a vacation and they have a ton of plants and they need someone to like water those plants while they're away, literally that's such an easy job you can do. Just go over once a day and water plants. I have done that before. I did that when I was like 13 and I got paid a lot of money for doing that. Sometimes it's just the super simple jobs like that that can make you the most money. The next thing to do to make money is YouTube. Obviously, you're not going to make money from the beginning, and the chance is higher that you will actually never make money on YouTube than you making money on YouTube because it's really hard to make money on YouTube, and I don't do YouTube for the money. I don't make money currently. The thing I would say is don't go into YouTube expecting to make money. If you do end up making money, that's a big bonus. To make money on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. I think it's just a great hobby to start personally. The next tip I have is to start a small business. If you have a passion for doing something, if you love making friendship bracelets in your spare time, sell them on Etsy. There's so many small businesses out there and there's always room for more. If you have an idea for a business, why not just share it with the world? Especially if it's something you're already doing, then why not make money off of it if you possibly could? The final way that you can make money as a teenager in 2022 is to sell your old things. Now, I would actually say this is the least reliable way, at least for me, but I know it does work for some people on like Poshmark and stuff like that. You can like sell your old clothes or sell your old jewelry or sell your old shoes or sell your old whatever. Just remember not to make your price high at all because people are gonna have to pay for shipping. So I have made a little bit of money from this, but not a ton. It's not a super reliable way. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you got some ideas on how you can make money as a teenager in 2022. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this from me. Also remember to turn on post notifications so that you get a notification every time I post and you never miss one of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!